Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down and removing the two pentalobe screws at the lightning port. Once done, use a suction cup and picks to lift the screen from the bottom, keeping the display supported at about 30 degrees so flex cables don't stretch. Make sure you've got a tri-point and Phillips driver, a spudger, and an ESD strap on a non-conductive mat. Now remove the metal display bracket screws and lift the bracket to expose the battery connector and home button flex. With the battery disconnected, continue by removing the screws and metal bracket that cover the home button flex. Carefully peel the home button cable up with a plastic spudger, do not yank, and free the button assembly from the display. Note, the Touch ID sensor is uniquely paired to the phone's logic board, so preserving the original button and all tiny mounts is essential. Once the button is free, set it on a clean lint-free cloth and keep all screws grouped in order to simplify reassembly. Reinstall the original home button into the display assembly, aligning the rubber spacer and retaining bracket, then reconnect the flex and reinstall its screws. Once the bracket is secure, reconnect the battery and the display connectors, screw the display back in place, and power on the phone. Go to Settings and enroll a fingerprint straight away to confirm Touch ID works. If it does not, turn off, reseat the flex and connectors, and ensure you use the original button on the original logic board.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.